So, with Tom Collins, proprietor of Think Drinks, would you like to just explain your business briefly?
Well, Think Drinks is a draft drinks company. We manufacture our own lemonade cola products.
Yeah.
It's specifically the draft guns in pubs and clubs.
Right.
So we make the product here on site. We effectively give our clients the machine, which costs us a lot of money. We install that into their premises, and then we repeat sell the lemonade, the Coke, the lime, the energy drink through the system. That's how we get our revenue.
And we're looking at building systems. What was the problem that you were trying to address?
Well, when we give the clients the machine, it's not like a coffee machine necessarily, which is one single item. It's a complexity of different items with different specifications, different pumps, cooling capacity, numbers of dispensers. So our engineers are very skilled in installing them, but obviously as we move on to the next one and the next one, we need to remember and track where the old machines are and know that they're either working, that they're cost effective. We can track sales against the cost of installation, and make sure that we basically we give them the machine and they use it enough. So the systems we needed to or we're looking to build and have been building are how where is that stock, and how do we monitor it and control it, along with booking the engineer into the job, getting him to site, keeping the customer happy, and working through. So it's the workflow from inquiry, either sales inquiry or fault, through to completion in an organised fashion, rather than pads of paper and headless chickens.
So I understand that you're going through a bit of a growth period now, and you've taken over a company recently.
Another company, yes, yeah. So with the new business, it's suddenly we've got more. We've suddenly had about 50% more machines or clients come on board. So it's a case of right now we've really got to make sure we know each client, because whereas when we were smaller, it's fine. We knew the landlord by name and we know the pub, and we go there quite often, so it's okay. But suddenly it expands into another animal, and that's really what we're asking ourselves, is how can we now scale the company so that we don't need to keep taking on a store and a warehouse up here and up there. So when we're taking on a client in Peterborough, miles away from us, we need to operate that with basically a guy in a van in Peterborough. We don't want to rent garages or containers and stuff. So I think
to have massive warehouses of stock.
But I don't think we need it if we can really understand where our stock is, where our stock control is, where our workflow is, and how to get the old kit back using couriers. That's fine. I think that's the theory's there. But what we need is a system that tracks it. So we've tried it without using anything terribly high level, and in fact you need the detail, and you suddenly the guy up there, where it is, Birmingham, or I've done it, I've changed it. Oh great, problem solved. Then all of a sudden you think to yourself, well, what happened to that kitten? Is that customer happy now? Do we need to follow the call up? And so there's a lot going on, and the team need to work off one centre base. And I think that's what that agileBase is going to give us.
Okay, thanks very much, Tom. Cheers.
Thanks, Oliver.